Hello friends, my name is Abhik Bharti. So today I will teach you how to make your wallpaper moving like YouTube videos. So first open Microsoft Store, then search Lively Wallpaper. Lively Wallpaper. Now this one, this one icon, you have to click on that. Now you have to download it. I have already downloaded. It's of 225 MB. It's not that much. So then click open. Now, now this type of screen will come. Click next. Again click next. And here you can select, like it will, you want your taskbar to be clear, you want your taskbar to be blur, fluent, wallpaper fluent. I will off it. Then click next. Now click OK. Now this type of screen will come. Now here you can select your wallpaper you want. Like here's the first one. First one is like this. But you will ask that there is only few wallpapers, but no. Here click this plus, click browse, and from here you can select that, which means you can select the video. So I don't have any video to play, and if you select any video, then the sound of that video will also come. In this there is no sound, so the sound is not coming, but in that video sound will come. Now here is help, and here is this license and privacy policy and attribution. Now here you can see a setting. If you click on this, here you can select performance, wallpaper and all. Like you have low end PC, so you have to select performance. So I don't have to select. Now I show you some more, like this one. Here is this also, Fluids version 2. This. And in Fluids version 2, if you will move your mouse, there the colors will go. Here's this, many more is there. But if you want to remove the, you can see the video background. Then click here, you will get one. Click on that. Now here, click close wallpapers. Now as you can see, the wallpaper is closed. So I hope you understood it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.